everyone, I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro with us, and I'll walk you through how to fix the app not installed issue step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any update. So let's dive right in.